Are you good? So, okay, first of all, thank you for taking out time to be a part of this activity. We're creating an interface for a text editing application to help improve journalists' writing. The app's purpose is to encourage accuracy and precision in writings that are published on the internet. So the insights from these studies will guide us in designing the user flow of the product. We'll be recording this session to supplement the notes we take on how you complete the assigned tasks. The video will only include your hands as you walk through the paper prototype. So again, just let me know what questions you have throughout the process. And the most important thing for you to do is that you just have to explain what you were thinking while going through it. And talk about the various options you're considering, if you are. And before you click on any link, just explain what other options you considered and why you didn't pick them. Okay, so just introduce yourself. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Harshad. I'm from India and I'm second term grad trans.
Okay, cool. Tell me a bit about your experience with computers.
So, like with computers, I've been in touch with computers since I guess first grade. So it's been a while, and so I'm learning so much right now, like so many softwares and stuff. So
Cool. So I'm guessing you feel pretty confident using a PC.
yeah.
Do you use them mostly for work, or do you also use them at home?
Currently I'm using mostly for the work, but yeah, definitely I'm using it's a part of life, I guess. Yeah, so like for each and every use, as everything is digitized and stuff. So.
For sure. So what kind of sites do you use regularly, and what do you find most useful?
So most of the time I'm using Google and YouTube and Netflix, and apart from that, I guess not much. Apart from that, there's a software like Google does each and everything.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so if you're wondering what's in front of you, this is a computer screen. Just try to imagine it, and the text is an article that needs to be edited. This is not a touch screen, so just imagine your pen is a mouse. And yeah, I'm gonna ask you to perform a few tasks. So while you're doing it, just remember that there's no right or wrong answers, so don't worry about messing up. Just do what comes naturally to you, and use the pen in front of you to mark the option you would use, or you can also create an option that you think should be there. Okay? So my first task for you is to select the first sentence and change it to a heading.
Like here, this one?
Yeah. Okay, now select any word and make it bold.
Here or on the key,
on the
screen?
article, yeah. Okay. So take that word and make the font size bigger. Okay. Insert an image from your computer after the second paragraph. Okay, now add a citation to that image. Cool. Find any sentence and select it. Okay, so add a source to it. There is a spelling error in a word. Fix it.
Seriously, do you want me to find a word?
Find a word that's misspelled.
Oh my God.
Just imagine it would be misspelled.
Okay.
And how you would fix it. Yeah, This is just Latin text, so.
Like, can I ask you questions? Well,
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
So, like, if I'm working on a system, so if there is a spelling mistake, so it guides me, like if there is a spelling mistake, so I just autocorrect it.
Okay, so you would autocorrect it.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, just whatever comes first to your mind,
Yeah.
you can say that. So yeah, there was a spelling error in that word. Okay, so the editor indicates that you can improve the accuracy of your article if you add more sources. So add a source to the article.
The whole article?
It could be, or to a single sentence. I would say just for the whole article.
What did you say? Like, if you add a source, what it does?
It would make your article more accurate, or it would provide more evidence for your claims. So, you know, if you're a writer, then yeah, cool. Okay, so you have successfully edited the article. Preview how the finished article would look like to the reader.
Like I can just say that, like, I would highlight it and highlight the like these things, and obviously when you source it, when you cite it, so everything is like in different colors and different font size, so which is very much necessary, like specifically for the citation work. Like right now I guess a lot of work to do, like you have to select the font size and stuff, so which is like done by itself. Like we use different softwares, Zotero and different softwares for these stuff, but if it's then like a few steps are reduced, it will be fine. And for the preview work, I would just like make it like the way it is right now, you know, everything is in line, and yeah, I think it's fine with the like the double spacing. Yeah.
Okay. Now publish the article.
So, okay, I would just click publish.
So you'd imagine there is a publish button?
See, again, depends. Like, I don't need a publish button because that is not the only work I'm doing on the system. Like, well, like, I guess it could have a shortcut of a publish button, like going on the file menu and then publishing it, rather than like I could have just a, like if I'm very much familiar to the software, I could just use a like shortcut, like say Command D or like Command E something.
Okay,
Yeah.
so using a shortcut would be another option. Okay.
Like rather than just having an extra button, because there are like obviously many buttons on the keyboard to confuse you. So like I don't think so you need an extra button just to publish it, depending on like if I'm not just the author, or like because I'm working with many other softwares and stuff, so I don't need like then there will be a like argument if everything, like for everything you need a button, so like how many buttons will you give? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, those were all the tasks that we assigned for you.
Okay.
Thank you again for completing it.
Yeah.